realizing those high yielding topics, Speed app has helped me very lots. I want to thank all the Speed for making our life easy.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to you, Dr. Kranti
Thank you so
Sasidhar
much.
Reddy, for scoring a
Yes,
topmost rank of 165 in MCA Surgical Group in Super Speciality exam and NEET SS 2025. Congratulations to you.
thank you so much, sir.
And also appreciate the time that you have spared, even in spite of your travel, to share your valuable experiences with us and also to the students who are watching this video. Thank you very
It's
much.
fine, sir. Thank you so much. It's fine.
Great. So, can we know from you a brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Sir, I have done my UG from Andhra Medical College, Vishakhapatnam, sir, 2011 batch. And then from 2018 to 21, I have done my MS in General Surgery in PGIMR Chandigarh, sir.
Very good. Excellent.
From then, just I have took a break, sir, because my wife is doing her super specialty. I have to look after the family and look after my baby. Then recently, my wife had completed her super specialty. Then I started for this NEET super specialty, sir. Now I got these ranks.
I really appreciate you for the dedication that you have shown to support your madam, your family, and also to make a weight and to take care of the baby. It's really
Mm.
inspiring.
Thank
Doing
you so much.
doing exam, doing results, getting onto the specialities. All this everybody can do. But things that you have done, it's quite inspiring, and I really appreciate it. And and I also want to know from you, once you decided to
Thank
go,
you so
what super
much.
specialty you are interested in doing?
I wanted to join vascular surgery, sir. From my PG days, I have decided if I want to do super specialty, I have to do it in vascular surgery.
Excellent, great. Now, once you decided to do a vascular surgery, what all you did, what you prepared, how you prepared, and what was your preparation strategy to achieve this rank?
I have prepared for INI, sir. INI for Sri Chitra, and in that in the November examination, I got third rank, sir. I have missed it because only one seat is there. Then again, I have shifted my focus to the NEET SS. And for the last 2 months, I think I have done all the grand tests in speed apps, sir. All the grand tests I have done at least twice, sir. Then
That
I got to know what are the main topics and what are the repeated topics. I have focused on them. I got to realize what are the high yielding topics and what are the repeated topics.
yes, yes,
What are the repeated topics to be studied? I got through the those specific topics, sir. For those realizing those high yielding topics, speed app has helped me very lots.
great. And can you share something on the exam? And how was the exam for you? How many questions were you able to answer? What do you feel about this exam paper?
Yeah, sir. Initially, there are three divisions in the exam, sir. First two are okay for me, and the third one is like very lengthy and cardiothoracic and vascular surgery questions. Even those are okay. Just the thing is, it is a lengthy examination that I am able to answer 135 questions, sir. Out of those, I think 114 were correct, sir.
Very good, very good.
According to grand test preparation only, like the accuracy was same, sir. I main thing I was focused on developing the accuracy.
Great. So, very good, very nice to hear. Thanks for sharing. And who introduced speed to you? How you came into speed and how the speed was useful for this exam?
Yeah, it's really very good, sir. Most of my friends and all they prepare through the speed only. That's how I got to know, and then I took the speed, sir.
Great, great. Oh, very good, excellent. What will be your advice for the future aspirants, super specialty aspirants for MCA surgical group?
My advice will be same as you say in your lecture, sir, to focus on specialty area. early whatever you want to take, and the app will be very much helpful, sir, to get the focus. And the main thing is to do the many grants from uh, speed app, and also to go through the lectures and develop the accuracy, and don't get disappointed anywhere till the exam.
Great, doctor. I mean, time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You feel that they stood by you and helped you till date. You can use the platform to thank all of them.
Yes, sir. Then my consultant from PGI and one consultant, Dr. Ajay Savalania, who inspired me to take vascular surgery, and then all the speed faculty, sir.
Now, initial part, somebody you thanked that got missed. Can you tell the who you thanked first that was missed?
First thing is my family, sir, my parents and my in-laws and my wife, and the person who inspired me for my vascular surgery. That zeal is Dr. Ajay Savalania from PGI, sir. And then I want to thank all the speed faculty for making our life easy. And in a short time period, we are able to focus on very high yield topics, and able to achieve the things, very big things in a short period of time.
Great.
Because of all the work you did, and made a streamline for us.
Very nice, doctor. Full of appreciation, thankfulness, gratitude.
Thank,
And
thank you so much, sir.
all the people who are watching this video will be very happy. You have thanked everybody, appreciated everybody. and
Thank you, sir.
and you supported your family, and that is very good about you. And very good, excellent. Congratulations once again. I wish you all the very best and all the success for a great career in a super specialty of vascular surgery in MCH. Best wishes to you, doctor. Always keep inspiring us, and
Thank you so much, sir.
all the best to you.
Thank you so much, sir.